Once all the code has been through its testing and it's ready to be released, then somebody, in this case Andrea, can now make that release. So once these changes have been made, we're now ready to finish up the release. So for Andrea, we're going to check out the release branch, and that was called sprint1-release. We'll do a pull just to make sure her local machine is up to date. And then we can do a git flow release finish sprint1-release. So this does a couple of things. It's going to merge our changes into the master branch, and it's going to allow us to enter a message to specify what those changes are, so we can tag the branch with that message. In this case, I'm using Emacs to do this, so let's just say created sprint1 release, save that, kill Emacs, and then it'll do the merges for us. And at this point, it deletes the appropriate branches. So we're going to delete the sprint1 release branch. Notice we get the messages. So release sprint1 release is merged into master. We tag the release with the name sprint1 release. The tag has been merged back into develop, and the release branch has been deleted locally. The release branch has also been deleted remotely. And if I check back in GitHub, we'll see again we only have a develop branch and a master branch. The release branch has indeed been deleted remotely. It's been deleted from GitHub as well. So Andrea's done the release, and she's done release finish. That's caused the code to be merged into master and for the branches to be deleted. But that code's been merged locally, but we haven't pushed the changes yet. Now Andrea currently still has the develop branch checked out. So if we check out the master branch, we do a git checkout master, we'll see it tells us that the local branch is ahead of the origin branch, the remote branch, by 3 commits. So we have commits locally onto master, but we haven't pushed these commits remotely. So before we push the master branch to the remote, I want to show you one other thing. So here I'm using a tool called SmartGit, and this is running on Windows. This runs on Mac as well. And in here we can get a graphical view of Git. We can see on the left hand side we're inside Andrea's repository. We've checked out master. And then at the bottom it's showing us that master is ahead of origin. And it's also showing us that we have some tags. And if I expand tags, we see we've created this sprint1 release tag. And that's what we created when we finished off the release. If I go to the log window here, this will show me the current log. And again here we can see the tags are in yellow. It says sprint1 release, and this is the release tag. Again, when we finish the release, this is the release tag that was created. So the reason I'm showing you this, and the reason I'm mentioning these tags and showing you the tags, is that we're about to do a push. And when we do this push, we have to remember to push the tags as well. Otherwise the tags don't get pushed to the remote. So we could do that from SmartGit. We could do it from any number of UI tools. But again, we'll do it here from the command prompt. And here we do git push as usual, but we also do ---- tags. And as well as pushing the local branches to the remote, we'll also push the tags along with that. And if I hit return, we see it says new tag, and that tag's been pushed. And if I go back and look at the server and look here where it says branch master, look at tags, we now see we have a tag. So we have the sprint1 release tag, and that's been pushed to the server.